Hi guys, this is my first batch of chickens and quails. 5 quails, 6 quails and a lot of chickens, like 24. And now I want to see if from this batch of 24, which in the day 7 or maybe 8 but 7, which one are fertile and which are not. Now they were here in the incubator. I need some space, so I will see which one are building some embryos inside. So let's see. I will use this professional one, ovoscope, egg handler, and I believe it will work better if I will put flash from this phone. It is a Xiaomi 6A, or maybe a flashlight. So this is the flashlight, this is the egg handler, and this is the Xiaomi. So I don't know which one is better, but maybe. Okay, so this is like $7, €7. Okay, let's see. Let's close the good ones I will put in there, and the bad ones to the trash bin. Okay, so let's kill the light. Okay, let's see which one is better now, and after that we will see which one. So let's see if you find one. Okay, this looks not fertile at all. No, I don't see any veins. Okay, let's see on egg handler. I believe it's no single chicken inside. Okay, let's see on the phone also. See, it works almost the same. So probably I bought that egg handler for nothing. Okay, let's toss it. Okay, see, with phone. You don't need something fancy, you don't need to build something. I just put my phone and I saw some veins, some ice. Definitely chick inside. Let's see on the egg handler, and with that I will speed it up maybe later. I don't see very good in the egg handler, see, but let's see on the flashlight. Maybe we'll see the best. This is me, but it might the phone looks the best. Is better the phone, or is it me? See here you can see the chicken inside. This I didn't inspect that. See, you can see clearly the chicken. This is awesome. So the phone is the best one. Who knew? Okay, see another one. See how it moves. See the veins. I believe the phone is the best one. Okay, this is not expected. This is the flashlight. And here is the egg handler. Definitely see some veins, so it's okay. Each one. See here you see the eye. Okay, so probably I should use the phone, which is strange. So I have both of those for nothing. So I see something here, so it's probably a chick. Yes, see the eggs, see the eye, see, he's moving. Definitely alive. Okay, this might also see the eye, probably. Okay, another good one. Okay, another one, see the eye. Who knew the phone is the best? Okay. Right. Okay, this one I see some life inside, so it's some veins. Probably here. Oh, awesome. Didn't expect that. I expected more to be unfertile. So this one also the chick is here. See my finger? Okay. Who knew? The phone really works. Okay, this one is also alive. See some spots. Right. You have to not keep them more than 10 minutes. But see another embryo. Right. I didn't expect that. Okay. Another one. So these are good. Let's put some more. Okay, what's next? Okay. I believe it's something in his. Yes, here. Well, the phone works well, great. See another one. Okay, this is not sure. Yes, I see something, but yes, it's here. Yes. Do not kill it. Another one. See, it's moving. Okay, I didn't expect that. I expected to be less successful. Another one. Okay. Okay, this is almost better. Too much fertile, too many fertile eggs. Okay, another one. So only the first one was unhatchable. Okay, this one is clear. Or not? No, it's alive. See the bastard. Okay. I really didn't expect that. Okay, another one is alive. Okay, this is strange. The first time I did this test with my first batch, I had very many of them. Wait, see another egg. Okay, this is really awkward. See, I don't see anything inside here. Yes, but I see something, so it's definitely here. Okay, so I bought the egg handler for nothing. Only one egg, it's until now unhatchable. Okay, maybe this one also. I definitely have to see him again. Okay, this might be not alive. Two more to go. Okay, definitely an egg here. Definitely it's hatchable. An embryo. Another here, maybe it's a chicken. Here's a chicken. You can see it here. Okay, so I only have two of them. Not good. Let's see them again. Okay, I don't see anything. Okay, I don't see anything like egg. Okay, this is different. The first one is clear, so I have to toss it. So this one is clear, only one, only the first one. That's amusing. The first one was only the first one. It sure it wasn't. Okay, and maybe this one I don't see any. I believe I will toss it because I need a room. This is one. Okay, let's see the profession I can, or the egg handler. I will put an X on it and see the evolution of this one. I'm not sure for this one. That's the problem. So I will keep it and I put an X on it to know which one is. So here is how you should see the eye. Here is the eye. See, it moves. So this is a good one, and this one it's a bad one. The first one so I'm kind of happy, but I didn't expect that. Now I have overcrowded incubator. See you later to see what I decided. Bye bye.